We thank God for God's message for us once again today. Again, as I mentioned in the beginning, I would like to share on 3 points, especially that of trusting, rely not on wealth. That is the first point. The second point is trusting in God. Blessed are those who hope in the Lord, umaasa tayo sa Panginoon. And lastly, the symbol of salt. So firstly, as we are reminded sa simula, in the book of Sirach, rely not on your wealth, rely not on your power. How we trust, kumakapit tayo, ginagawa natin number one yung ating pera o yung kapangyarihan natin, yung ating lakas. Ito ang ginagawa natin Diyos, di ba? Ito yung ating kayamanan, dito tayo kumakapit. Trust not that in this because it is fleeting. Alam naman natin, temporary lang yan, pwede mawala. Anytime pwede kunin. Pag nawala yan, yung minamahal natin at ginawa natin number one, ang tao, ang bagay, o ang kapangyarihan, pag nawala, magiging walang kabuluhan yung ating buhay. We do not trust in this. The responsorial psalm says, hope in the Lord. Umasa tayo sa Panginoon who will always be there. Nakasandal tayo sa pader, as the saying goes. Let us put our trust, put our hope on God alone. Let us not trust in prince or princesses, in money or in wealth. And then, lastly, ang dami-daming aral kasi sa Ebanghelyo, napakaraming reminders, it will speak for itself. But I would just like to focus on the word salt, ang kahalagahan ng asin. It is very, very important. How salt, alam naman natin, ang asin, ginagamit natin para to clean. Alam nyo ba, ako'y dentista, di ba? Pag mawalan tayo ng mouthwash, ano ginagamit natin mouthwash, di ba? Asin, di ba? Pwede naman. As a matter of fact, it may be more effective sometimes because of the adverse effects of mouth cleaners. Napakalakas ng pinapatay, pati yung healthy bacteria sa ating bibig, pati yung pinapatay. So salt is one property, it cleanses, it purifies, nililinis, ang kahalagahan ng paglinis. Ay isang aspeto pa ng asin ay it preserves, di ba? Para hindi mabulok. Kung hindi patuloy tayong mabubulok, there's too much corruption, it will prevent us from being corrupt. It preserves, Dati kasi yung wala namang refrigerator dati, nung unang panahon, ang ginagamit para sa pampahaba ng buhay ng karne, for example, o ng isda, ay asin, to prevent it from corrupting. And lastly, it is to add flavor, pampalasa. Alam naman natin ang kahalagahan sa pagluluto ng asin, very, very important. It is very, very important that we have flavor. May asim pa. Pag wala ng asim, ang tabang, walang silbi, yung buhay natin. Kaya nga, yung devotion natin sa kamahal-mahalang puso ni Jesus, the heart of Jesus, full of fire, full of passion, may init, may init pa, may lasa. Kasi pag walang lasa ang buhay natin, walang kagana-gana, it is very, very important that He is constantly with us. So we are asked to be salt of the earth, nagbibigay ng lasa. It will make a difference. Our lives are here given to us to God to make a difference. So let us be salt. Let us continue to trust in the Lord to always make us, to add meaning, to add purpose in our life as we thank God. We are reminded of this and we trust in the Lord as we continue to pray for one another, as we continue to pray for our Holy Father.